Healthy connections in family relationships are essential to human wellness and resilience.
As helpers and counselors, we're best able to support growth and change in those we work with by considering the patterns of emotions, beliefs, and behaviors that affect their connections.
Our book, Counselling in Relationships, is a helpful resource and guide for working effectively with families.
One of the strengths of this book is its broad definition of family. Although it's impossible for one book to capture the many ways in which we can be a family, our 10 chapters reflect and affirm a wide range and diversity of relationships.
You will hear from 10 different contributing authors who each share stories and insights drawn from their personal experiences of working with families.
Our hope is that this book will support counselors to help people grow their relational strengths, move out of stuck family patterns, and build resilience.